What's up, you guys? Another day, another day, another W. Transform array by parity. You're given an integer array nums. Transform nums by performing the following operations in the exact order specified. Replace each even number with 0. Replace each odd with 1. And sort the modified array in non-decreasing order. Return the resulting array after performing these operations. So first I'm gonna keep n so I can loop to this. I'm just gonna so it's even the I is 0, and I'm gonna say the I is 0. Else I'm gonna say the I is 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna sort. Sort it. I'm gonna return or something like that. Okay. Okay, guys, we get accepted. Thanks for watching this one as well. Make sure to subscribe. If you subscribe, so every 100 subs on the road to 1K, I'm giving one of you guys a free PDF with tips and tricks on how to solve LeetCode and data structures and algorithms. So if you want to have a chance to win this PDF, subscribe and send me a screenshot with proof on my Instagram. Link will be down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice rest of your day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.